Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In the first video I have shown you how you can make bootable USB. In this video I am gonna install Ubuntu on my system. For that you need a bootable flash drive which already have Ubuntu on it. First let me insert my USB and show you that it has Ubuntu on it. Then just simply restart your PC and go to your BIOS setting. For my motherboard I have to press escape or del to go to my BIOS. Then you have to go to boot section and choose the USB as boot priority 1. This will force your system to boot from USB. Now just save and restart to boot your system into Ubuntu. It will take some time to boot. I am fast forwarding it to save your time. After booting, click on install Ubuntu and now just follow the steps which I am following. You have to choose your keyboard layout, then you have to choose normal installation and click continue. And then I have already Kali on my hard drive, so I will erase the disk and install Ubuntu. Here I can choose two hard drive. I have one NVMe and one is hard disk. In my system I am choosing the NVMe for my installation. You can choose your storage according to your system. Now click on install now. Click continue. Now you have to choose your time zone. Then your name, I am putting my name, my computer's name, I have to choose one password, and this is a short password. I have to choose a longer one, and there I cannot put space on it, so now click on continue. This will start copying Ubuntu files into your system. I am fast forwarding this section to save your time. After complete installation, you have to remove your USB and restart your PC. Here I have already removed my USB and I am gonna now restart my PC. Now just click on your user and give it your password and hit enter. For the first time you log in into Ubuntu. Thank you for watching. This is a new channel, so please do like and subscribe. This will motivate me to make more videos like this.